Unlock Positivity with Sadhguru, an initiative by Isha Foundation and Big FM.
రాత్రి నుంచి అసలు నిద్రే లేదు నాకు. I didn't have sleep at all. In the morning, if it is 9, I'm checking from 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, whether if it is 9. So my question is about dreams. I get few haunting dreams. Some are very good and some are very, fearsome. And I've lost few loved ones. When they come on my dreams, it's like a very beautiful morning for me. I wake up with there might be tears in my eyes, but Ananda Bashpalu, we can say. So, does dreams have any implication? I'm asking. And what about yourself? Do you dream? And what is your most haunted or most impactful dream that you had in the recent times?
Let me tell you. One day, Shankaran Pillai's wife's birthday was approaching in the next few days. So she woke up early morning and she poked him and she said, "You know, I had a beautiful dream." So Shankaran Pillai said, "Is that so? What was the dream about?" She said, "You know, I received a gift from you on my birthday, a diamond necklace. I couldn't believe it. I could clearly see it, it was a diamond necklace." Shankaran Pillai said, "Then immediately close your eyes, close your eyes. Just continue the dream, enjoy the necklace, because that's never going to happen in your life." So 90% of human dreams are unfulfilled desires. Because human beings have a diary of desires. Anything they say, first thing is, "Oh, this is nice." Then the next thing is, "I wish I had it." If everything that you dreamed for or desired for, rather, happened to you, probably you would need a warehouse to live in, not a house. You don't need a home, you will need a mega warehouse, because if everything that you dreamed came true, you would be an absolute mess. Fortunately, most of it doesn't come true. Because people are in your diary of dreams all the time, the only way your mind can work it out is during sleep. All these things must happen to you. So largely they're unfulfilled desires finding expression in a dream state. But actually there are 4 different dimensions of dream. Because this covers 90% or more, on a radio show like this, we will leave it there. The other things will need some time to explain in a logical way so that people will understand. But over 90% of the dreams are just unfulfilled desires. So if you have a little bit of handle on your desires, that your desiring process is conscious, then you will see you will not have dreams. You will not have dreams at all, extremely rare if at all if something happens. I have not had a dream in a very, very, very long time, so I can't tell you.
Seriously?
No, that could be a very scary thought, Sadhguru. If your dreams are what you desire, I'm sure a lot of people have got scared right now thinking, "Oh my God, I didn't know I desired that." Because dreams can be really, really, really out of the box, as I call it.
People are in a constant state of desire. Just anything they see, somewhere they will want it. So this wanting piles up. Mind has to unwind somewhere. It may not unwind exactly like how Shankaran Pillai's wife had a specific dream. She had gold, right? That is a very specific dream. But you missed the joke, that's why you're looking at me like this. So, but others are not so specific, it's like simply random desires, which will all mix up. Just to tell you like this, you thought of going on a wildlife safari, then you thought of a diamond necklace, then you thought of a promotion in job. So you went to your office, in your dream I'm saying, you went to the office, there only tigers, lions were all sitting and working in the office, and then there were diamond necklace came on you, some stupid dream, stuff like that. Disjointed, it is happening to most people because their desires are random, simply they're desiring just about anything they see. So when the dream happens, it's an unwinding of this winding that you're doing throughout the day. So it will come all mixed up in some way, don't try to sort them and find meaning in them, it will be unnecessary. I know a whole lot of investment has been made in analyzing dreams, but there are 4 different types of dreams, they are of a different nature. That would take time to elaborate, but over 90% are just unwinding of the desiring process that's happened during the day.
Sure, Sadhguru, I'll keep following you to, someday I'll get to know knowledge of all the 4 kinds of dreams from your sessions.
Unlock Positivity with Sadhguru, an initiative by Isha Foundation and Big FM.